WhatsApp is reportedly gearing up to release an AI character creation feature, letting users customize chatbots. This feature is similar to the AI Studio features available on Messenger and Instagram. According to WA Beta Info, this feature will allow users to describe their chatbot's personality and focus leveraging up to 1,000 characters. Meta-owned WhatsApp will offer descriptions suggested to assist users design their chatbot's traits. The process is expected to involve generating a profile, bio, and privacy settings, mirroring the steps used in the AI Studio on other Meta platforms. Moreover, WhatsApp is developing a dedicated tab to manage AI characters. This tab is likely to show both user-generated chatbots and public AI characters, thus improving conveniency and efficiency. This feature is currently under development, and it remains under wraps whether it'll be integrated into other Meta-owned apps such as Instagram or Messenger. This feature is expected to escalate WhatsApp's functionality by offering smart customization and engaging AI-powered tools, aligning with the Meta's wider focus on incorporating AI across other platforms.